If this is you and you have knee pain when you go up or down stairs, it may not just be your knee. So I want to show you something that I want you to do to stretch out not your knee, but your psoas muscle. So your psoas muscle is a muscle that actually starts in your back and it goes down into your hip. This muscle, called your psoas muscle, gets tight whenever you are sitting. So for those of us who sit a lot during the day, it can get tight and it can lead to knee pain. Now I'm going to tell you how to stretch it, one way to stretch it, and it's going to sound silly, but I want you to try this. And that is, at night, I want you to lie down on your bed before you go to bed. I want you to lie down face down. I want you to lie face down, and I want your feet to go over the end of the bed. Now, some of you, believe it or not, are saying, wait a minute, I haven't laid on my stomach in like 20 years. That's exactly the point. So if you don't stretch the front of your hip out, that psoas muscle gets tighter and tighter. So what I want you to do is you are just going to lay down in bed with your feet off the end. Now, that's all you have to do. You might have to lie down flat, and that's okay. I'm just propping myself up so that you can still hear me with the microphone. And if you want to go for extra credit, what I want you to do is I want you to bend that knee up so that your foot is pointing towards the ceiling. So that, believe it or not, is a pretty big stretch to your psoas muscle. Now, you might feel this in your back, and that's okay. You might feel it in your hip, that's okay. You might feel it in your knee, and that's all okay. So stretching your psoas for a lot of us is simply a matter of, on a regular basis, stretching out your psoas while you're lying face down in your own bed. Try it every night, and I think that it's going to help your knee pain.